How to remove a payment method from your iPhone? Let's get started, everyone. You're going to start by clicking here on Settings. You'll come to this page. On this page, you'll click on your name. Go ahead and click. This menu will open up here. In this menu, you'll click on the third option, Payments. Click it. You'll be redirected. Your payment methods will be shown there. In my case here, I have a card that's expired. This card has expired and I need to remove it. How do I do that? You simply click on the card you want to remove or delete. You'll be directed. Below, you'll already find the option to remove this payment method from your iPhone. Click it. They'll ask if you really want to remove it. Since you do, just click here on the Remove option. Wait a moment. The page will be updated. Loading. Now the page has turned white, okay guys? And that's it. You'll come back here and you'll automatically see that your iPhone's payment method has been removed. Now you already have the option here to add a new method, alright? If I helped you, help me too. Subscribe to the channel.